Alright, Fat Squidward here for another video on this strong thunderstorm in Milwaukee County. Over the past 5 minutes or so, there have been very, very bright lightning strikes, and thunder has been really loud, and the rain is starting to come, and the rain's coming back hard. This is probably going to get real ugly real fast here. So yeah. Enjoy the show. Wow. Please excuse the camera shaking. Please excuse the shaking. Because I'm getting a little chilled here. Uh-oh. Currently, there is at the time of the recording of this video, there is a 5% there's a 5% chance of tornadoes occurring in this area. Idiot drivers. Oh. Oh, rain's hitting me hard. This might get really ugly really quickly. Well, the rain's really coming down now. Oh! Holy Christ! Well, the rain's really coming down now. Oh my God. Oh, it's really coming in now. Alright. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye.